It is race day once again, fellas, and today we have another Go Big River Jump. We're using 4 lanes of our 6-lane speedway today, and we have 16 cars available to race via these Hot Wheels 8 packs. Some cars are from main lines, while others are completely multi-pack exclusives. Without further ado, let's get to it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down your favorite car that we will be racing today. Before we begin, let us make sure to turn on the finish line. And although we don't have a finish line camera, we will be having a jump camera. And we also have our rescue vehicles just in case any cars have fallen into the river, which is not what we necessarily want to happen, but it is probably going to happen to some of the slower cars. But first, let us get all the cars outside of their packaging. And there we are. Some of these cars are, once again, mainline cars such as this Diora 2, Roger Dodger, and I think this is the Solar Reflex or whatever. While some of these, like this nice Pagani, are multi-pack exclusives. But let's get into the first race, which we have Diora 2, Roger Dodger, Carbinator, wait, what is it? I forgot. I think it's Carbites or something. Flash up the name on screen. And Mountain Mauler. Let us race these first 4 cars first. We have a good looking group to start us off, so let's just hop to it. When the marks get set, go! And they're off! Whoa, man, oh no, none of them make the jump. That is not ideal at all. Man, all the cars have splashed into the river. I think I severely miscalculated the distance for the jump. So, we're going to have to redo that race, but I'm going to need to move the jump a little bit closer. That was one spectacular fail, but no cars have any significant damage or noticeable damage to them, so they should race just fine. On your marks, get set, go! And they're off. Oh my goodness, Mountain Mauler lands it perfectly, and then it ends up winning the race. Everyone else spun out. Diora 2 is flipped upside down. Roger Dodger sideways, and then the other car is up on the edge of the track. But Mountain Mauler has landed it, and we'll be moving on to the next round. The losers will be lined up along the side of the track, while the winners will be lined up underneath the jump this time. But next up, we have a Pagani Zonda R, an NSX Concept, Gazella R, and a Honda Civic. A very interesting array of vehicles, but let us see who will take it. My marks, set, go! And they're off. The Pagani Zonda R was in the lead, but none of them make it down to the finish. Unlike last time, if no cars make it down to the finish, we will actually redo the race. Otherwise, this video will actually be pretty short because how many cars we have. We only have 16 cars racing today, but we will have to do that again. This time, everyone has swapped places. My marks get set, go! And they're off. The Pagani still in the lead. Oh, but the Honda Civic comes back as the Pagani is sideways. The Gazella R is upside down, and it looks like that the NSX Concept is in the drink. Oh well, it seems as though the Honda Civic Type R, or whatever it is, will be moving on. This time, the cars that fall into the river stay in the river. That's a little bit more of some stakes. Next up, we have Solar Reflex, a Jaguar, Ford Shelby, and a Lotus E-Spirit. A very dreaded in real life set of cars, except for the Solar Reflex. That is by far the most fantasy car we've seen. But either way, on the marks, get set, go! Ah, oh my goodness, Solar Reflex lands that so cleanly, just on the edge of the track. Ends up making it, and then the only other car that has not fallen into the river is the Ford Shelby. It will be able to sit right next to the track, while the rest are gonna have to remain in the water. I really wish the slow motion camera was rolling for that one, because that was a really awesome crash. Oh well, I'll go back into editing and see if I can slow down the raw footage that I took of it. Next up we have a Toyota Cup, Slingshot, Lamborghini, I don't know the exact name because it's kind of hard to pronounce, flash the name up on the screen, and I think it is a Mad Splasher or something like that? Yeah, Mad Splasher. This one should have no problem falling into the water, or just hopping right over it. But either way, let us see which one of these cars will be the final car to make it to the semifinals. So either way, on your marks, get set, go! And you're off! Oh my goodness, the Toyota's in the lead! But the Mad Splash wins it! Wow! The Toyota is upside down. The Mad Splash landed it super cleanly and is now in the finish. All the other two, the Slingshot and the Lamborghini, are in the water, upside down. But at least they have a few more company. But in the end, the Mad Splash, a boat, will be moving on, and it'll be the last car to be moving on to the finals, which we have the Manta Racer, a Toyota, Solar Reflex. No, that's actually a Honda, my bad. Solar Reflex, and then Mad Splash. And we have had a couple other cars that have not fallen in. So let us see which one of these guys deserve to be in the next place. I expanded the track so that we could do one quick halftime show bonus race using most of the cars that have been eliminated in the previous round, but have not fallen into the river. So let us see. We'll win it. On your marks, get set, go! Man, it's a long race. Oh my goodness, Diora 2 wins it. I thought that Roger Dodger had it, but no. The Diora 2, in its very nice looking paint scheme, ready for the waves, is actually the winner. Although it won't be progressing to the finals at all. The other car, there's actually been quite a few that have actually made it. And I don't think, actually no, it was the Mustang. The Mustang was not there before. It ended up falling into the water. Either way, enough distractions out of the way. I'll put it back down to only 4 lanes. And we will do the finals now. We will do this as a point style. We will do 4 races. And depending on what place they finish, they will be getting a certain amount of points. So, for example, if Mountain Mauler wins a race, it gets 5 points. But if it loses another, it gets 1 more point. So let's see. On your marks, get set, go! For the first race, oh my goodness, Mountain Mauler wins the first race. All of them landed cleanly. That is the first perfect race that we've had so far. But then again, all of these cars have, well, completed the races. So, Mountain Mauler so far gets 1 point. And then I'll need to go back into the footage and then count who else gets more points. Unfortunately, my finish line camera has ran out of space. So, I need to pay real close attention with my normal camera, because we won't be able to go back into footage and do any slow motion replays. But either way, all the cars have switched lanes. Mountain Mauler so far is 5 points. Let's see, the marks get set, go! And they're off. Mountain Mauler's still in the lead, but it crashes in the Honda. Gets the win for that race. So Mountain Mauler gets 2 points for his come in 3rd place, and then the Mad Splasher gets 4 points. So Solar Reflex gets 3. And the Honda gets a complete 5 points for winning that race. But we still have 2 more left to go. I should also mention that if any cars fall into the water, they get 0 points for that race. So, let's keep on moving on. And let's get set, go! And they're off! Oh my goodness, it's a close race, but Mountain Mauler goes backwards to the finish and ends up getting an extra 5 points. Solar Reflex has been consistently getting 2nd place finishes. And 2nd place finishes can really add up. It might actually beat out Mountain Mauler if it gets a 1st place finish here. Well, the other 2 might be out of luck. But then again, the Honda did get a win last race. We'll only know when we add up all the points. And so we have the final race. This will amount to the final amount of points that all the cars will be getting. And let's see, on the marks, get set, go! And they're off. Now Mauler's in the lead, and it has won it. I don't know if anyone else is going to be able to catch up with that amount of points. I think the Wave Ripper actually, and the Mad Splasher bounced back there, so that got 2nd place. But let's add up all the points. And after tallying up all the points, the Mad Splasher and the Honda come in 3rd, combined with only 8 points. Solar Reflex came in 2nd with 10 points, and Mountain Mauler wins with a whopping 17-point lead. Wow, that is crazy. But either way, that is it for today. Gotta thank all the cars for participating, and our response vehicles, which will now be pretty busy rescuing all the vehicles that are pretty much in the water right now. We gotta get to work. And then, you guys for watching today's video. I could not do this without you guys. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.